just arrived in Blairsville, Georgia at Vogel State Park, ready to do some camping. So stay tuned. Come up with some interesting things we're going to do this week. It's the first day at Vogel State Park. It's been raining since last night, pouring. So about 8 o'clock, get up, get dressed. Fortunately, I got this heater to keep me warm. And then see what the day brings. Well, this is Blue. Looked like he survived the night. And there's Sherry over there. She gotten up and making coffee. Yeah, she's the camp chef, and we got 2 easy ups. Blue has his own little house there underneath an easy up. How you doing, Blue? Say hi to the folks back home. And here's our tent pad, and our tent's up. For the most part, it held up for a lot of rain. Still raining now, but not as hard. And I wanted to show you my wonderful looks this morning here at Vogel State Park in Georgia, near Blairsville. And we got Old Glory. She's still hanging up with bikes and stuff. So we're gonna get some coffee in us. I'm gonna get a fire going and trying to warm up, come up with a game plan for today. Well, we're working on this fire. Got some hot coals in there. Just still raining. 35 degrees, 40 degrees. But, we're still poking at it. We're trying to get this fire going, start drying things out. It's about 1 o'clock. It says it's supposed to stop raining, so
And some breakfast.
and some breakfast.
Some sausage muffins.
She's all dolled up with her big hat. Sherry made some breakfast, and she's gonna describe to you folks how she made that for us.
Well, I ground up some sausage. You buy the bulk sausage, grind it up, cook it until it's brown. And while that's happening, mix some almond flour, some coconut flour, a little bit of milk.
Very good, very hearty. A lot of protein in there.
And an egg. And then you put the sausage in the bowl and mix it all together and put it in little muffin tins. And don't forget to spray your muffin pan because they do stick.
So they're pre-made, and then you just warm them up here at camp, right?
And put some cheddar cheese on top.
Very good. Well, thank you, Sherry.
You're welcome.
Thank you. She does the cooking, and Charlie does the eating. Second night we spent here, a little drier than the first night. Third day here. It looks like it's going to be cloudy and overcast today. And the next 2 days are supposed to be sunny. It's about 37 degrees. Got a nice little fire going. Well, over here by this creek, I think we're at site 58. Something like this, the other side of the campground. And here's Sherry and her crazy dog. A little waterfall here, a little creek. Nice little spot. Let's see. Very pretty. Very pretty. There's a waterfall at Vogel State Park. There's Sherry at Vogel State Park. Charlie. And this is Charlie and Sherry at Vogel State Park. See the waterfall behind us? Doing a little fishing on a lake. And we have a lady over here. She's knitting. Looks like she's knitting a scarf. Probably for some handsome devil, you know. But looks like you got a beach going on over there. Some paddle boats. And there's a trail that goes all around the lake. And then you go over that way, and there's actual waterfalls. Well, we're gonna do some fishing right now. Hopefully we can catch something. We're here at the lake at Vogel State Park. He laughs at me all the time. I forgot where the hell I was. And we're gonna take a walk over to the waterfalls. Well, we're here at Cholita Falls Trail. We're gonna take a walk down there. Here's my lovely girl Sherry. Looks like quite a bit of a little walkway, so when we get down there, we'll show you what it looks like. Well, as we go down the trail, as you can see, it's a little muddy, so gotta be very careful on your footing here, so you don't slip. Especially these boards become very slippery. So, it's not a bad trail, but you just got to be careful. You don't want to twist an ankle or slide down. Sherry's gun ho. She can't wait to get to the bottom. It's amazing the amount of force that this waterfall has. Beautiful. I listen to the music of the water all night long. Sherry. Local State Park did an awesome job of putting this deck right here on the fall. So it's almost like you're standing on the fall. Beautiful. Unless you experience, I could say how beautiful it is. Amazing job. Well, after a nice hike today, and Sherry and I are just hanging out for our Valentine's Day dinner. Sherry already started the potatoes. And, we got a nice fire going there. Nice running fire.
And that's the
Got
steak.
nice hot coals. Get some steaks, and then season them up and throw them on there. And
Oh, I thought there was only three.
And Sherry is seasoning the steaks. We're gonna cook all of them. We're not gonna probably eat them all tonight, but we'll have them because they got to get cooked. So. Just loading up on some Cajun. Got some Creole there.
Use a knife.
She's got some
Chicka
bam, Sherry.
Chicka bam.
Chicka bam on top of there. Just season.
And it's better to have your steaks brown like this because it means they're nice and tender. You want to get them to room temperature, air temperature, because it'll tenderize the meat.
Believe me, she knows what she's doing. I can't eat anything else anymore.
I know. I can't even have a break and go to a restaurant and eat. To me, it tastes great because I didn't have to cook it. But to him, he's like, oh, this tastes like shit. There's no flavor. There's no flavor. It's because I put flavor in everything.
And there she is. She's a little bit more seasoning. And then we're going to sit and get the fire nice and hot. Let it rest. I know, let's throw them on there. And why do you only season one side? You only need
I'm
to,
gonna
right?
season the other side here in about 20 minutes.
Oh, in about 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Well, let's make it 10. Let's make it 10 or 15. We're losing daylight here.
Still can cook. Still cook in the dark.
Sherry got it going pretty good. She already got the baked potatoes up there and the carrots. So should be done soon. It's Monday, February 15th. Got a little rain last night, but I slept in a little bit. Sherry, our camp chef and fire starter, got a fire going, trying to dry things out. So if you ever get lost in the woods or you need the survival, dial up Sherry and yeah, she'll make it.
She'll make coffee.
She'll make coffee for you. Got to ride out to Columbus, Georgia, and see my sisters. So we'll be on the road most of the day. I think she's about 3 hours, 4 hours from here. So south by Alabama, and go visit her. I haven't seen her in over a year. Spend a couple hours and then we'll head back up. Tomorrow and Wednesday's supposed to be real nice, so maybe the sun will come out and dry things up. And Thursday's still iffy, 100% chance of rain, and it's supposed to get real cold. No snow for Friday, but it's going to be a low 90, high 30, so we'll have to think of a game plan. Well, good morning, folks. It's day 4. It's about 28 degrees here at Vogel with a real feel of 21. For some reason, I thought Georgia was a warm state, but make the best of it. Sherry's outside starting the coffee up, and I'm gonna take a shower. I need to shower up and get this day started. It's I guess it's about 6:15. So I'm gonna do that and then have some coffee, start a little fire, and see what the day brings. Well, shower was complete. Felt good. Feel like a new man. New day. Sherry, what do you think?
Mm-hmm.
We got a fire going now. We got coffee on. And old Blue just chilling out saying, I just want to go home to a nice warm bed. But he slept in a warm car last night, so he did okay. He was comfortable. We're going to go for a walk today. I don't know what's flying around. I don't know if it's starting to snow or what. We got some ice crystals up on the table, beat it up on the table from all the rain last night. I got some ice crystals on there, and even on the tent. We got ice crystals. So, yeah, it's snowing. And if you think Georgia's warm, it's not today. You got the camp chef over here. What do you got cooking, camp chef? Sherry. Chef Sherry's cooking steak and eggs. I wish this could be a scratch and sniff video because this is delicious. Very flavorful too. She knows how I like my flavors. So she's cooking up some old-fashioned scrambled eggs and steak. Chef cooks me first, serves me first. Yeah, she cooks me first. She cooks for me first because she knows that Charlie's got to get all that damn wood over there, so I need my energy. Well, it's gotten colder out here. It says it's 20 degrees with a real feel of 10. Feels every bit of 10. So I'm gonna get something to eat in a couple minutes. Hit the head and we'll hunker down. Try to stay warm. I'll show you what the bathrooms look like. Pretty cool. Well, these are the bathrooms. You got your shower here, top and bottom. As you can see, they're pretty clean. The guy comes twice a day, cleans them. So handicap accessible, and it's nice and warm in here. So. That is melted cheddar cheese over one big ass thick burger. That looks so good. That looks like a nap after that. And folks, this is glamping in 10. We got burgers, we got some popcorn, we got the fixins, some macaroni salad, nice propane heater, keep us warm. Probably warmed up to 10 to good 20, 30 degrees, but it's still cold, you know. It's still
not
cold.
warmed up the tent that much. Because there's air coming through here.
Yeah, over the rain fly. So. And here we are. Our little table set up, our heater, all ready to go. Nice little dinner by propane candlelight. It's time to go to sleep. It's 19 degrees out with a real feel of 9, and we have our heater going in a tent that was probably made for just summer, spring, fall weather, not winter weather. So that's lessons to be learned. But if we don't wind up as popsicles in the morning, we'll see our smiling faces again. Well, it's day 5 here at Vogel State Park. It's 21 degrees out. Feels like 16. I haven't ventured out yet. Sherry went to the bathroom already, but we'll see. See what today brings. I think we're gonna do some hiking today. Check out some falls. Maybe do a little Appalachian. And yeah, no, my hair's a wreck. Right? Who cares? Come back, break down camp. We got a cabin for tonight and tomorrow. It's supposed to be a lot of rain coming in tomorrow, and then frigid cold on Friday. So we don't want to pack this stuff up in the rain while it's wet.
Okay, Charlie's gonna use this saw. What's the name of it?
Silky Big Boy 2360. It's got a 14-inch blade. Seen some good reviews on it. It's a silky folding saw. Press this down, you can fold it up almost like a pocket knife. Probably weighs about a pound. I know Sherry's gonna be laughing too because I stutter a lot. But fold it open. I was like very skeptical on how this was going to be used. Grab a piece of wood here. What these saws has got Japanese technology. The cutting is backwards. I know a lot of people are used to going back. The cutting on this is backwards. So it's almost like pulling a lawnmower. So you set your piece of wood up. As you can see, we're using hardly any pressure on the saw to cut through this log. It's somewhat still green. But as you can see, with ease, slices right through within about 30 seconds. That's the Silky Big Boy 2000 360. I would highly recommend it, picking this up. I think it runs around $50 to $70, but you can buy extra blades for this.
Yeah, you can get it on Amazon.
So right now we're hiking the Byron Reese Trail. There's Chevy the chef behind me. Of course, I didn't bring my bear spray, didn't bring the knife, didn't bring the water stuff I was supposed to suck out of a puddle. But I think this is only, what, less than a mile?
Yeah.
So we're gonna have fun. It's about 50 degrees out. It's balmy compared to the last couple of days. It's a little muddy. We do wash and shower too. Don't think we don't. We just wear the same clothes.
We do wear the same clothes. We still just take a shower.
Trail's marked pretty well. It's got the rope, so you don't kind of fall down the hill. But I got a set of steps climbing up. It's pretty good. See how far up? We're almost to the top. So I'm gonna just keep moving forward. I just came to a point where there's some ice on the rocks, so you gotta be careful going up. There's some kind of grave marker here, a memorial. This is Josh, second shift, rest on the mountain. Looks like it might be a trail marker, huh? Looks like we're coming up. It might be the AP. AP. But I got a hell of a view. Blue's leading the way. But it's pretty. It's pretty up here. Some hikers coming this way. And it just marks the Byron Reese Trail. That's what we just came from. And this is the Freeman Trail. It's marked with the blue blazes. I don't know how far that trail goes. We're just gonna go here. We're gonna take a couple pictures, take a little rest, a little breather, and head back on down. And that's the Appalachian going that way, headed north. That's the Appalachian headed south. And then the Freeman Trail goes that way. That goes out to the backcountry trail, the Kakusa or something. But it just sure is pretty up here.
Hello,
Say hello,
Sherry.
Sherry.
Hello, Sherry. How are you? Hello, Charlie.
Hi there. Yo, lady ho.
Hello.
Well, we made it. So we're gonna take a rest, and then we're gonna head back down. But it was a pretty trail, right?
Yeah.
Right. The Byron Reese Trail.
Yeah.
You know, it was a pretty nice little day hike. You know, stretch the legs. So, and the weather's gorgeous right now. It's probably 52, 55. It's a nice crisp walk. So, yeah, we rested for a bit. Now we're gonna head back down the Byron Reese Trail. Hopefully most of that ice is thawed, but it'd probably be slippery, so we're just gonna take it slow and get back to the car. Yeah, got a little running water over here coming off the mountain and rolls down this thing way down that hill, and that's where we're headed. So we made it down to the parking lot, safe and sound, right, Sherry?
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, I'll forget it when she's cooking me dinner tonight. Mm-hmm. But all in all, it was good. It's about almost a mile, 0.8 of a mile. The Byron Herbert Reese Trail. It's good, a little rocky, a little challenging for the novice, but all in all, it was good. So you're out here by Vogel State Park and you get a nice day, and you want to go for a little stroll. It took us about, what, hour and a half, 2 hours?
Yeah.
To do that, and just be careful of your footing, especially when there's mud, and this time of year is ice, so you just got to be careful. Sherry saved me once from rolling down the hill today, but we'll see you folks later. We're gonna head down the road, maybe take a gander at the shelter and the what's that called? The Appalachian Trail. We're gonna take a look over there, see what's going on. They got like a habitat or something, right? Like a kind of house where the bathrooms and stuff are. So we're gonna check that out, and we'll see you folks in a few minutes. There's Sherry. There's Sherry chomping on an icicle from the damn mountain. Talk about a mountain woman. Woodsy. Call E.G.
They're good.
She said. Are they good, Sherry?
Yeah, they're good and refreshing cold. And tastes like ice.
Well, we're at Neil's Gap Mountain Crossing Lodge. Over here that runs the Appalachian Trail. I guess you go in and use the facilities, warm up, get supplies. So we're gonna go take a look. Looks like it's got a beautiful view, so we're gonna check that out. Well, we're on the Appalachian Trail. This is the stop off. We got one more stop, and we've completed the whole Appalachian Trail at Springers Falls. Started in Maine about, what, 6 months ago? Nah, I'm only kidding, but here's one of the white blazes, and the trail goes right through this building, so it's pretty awesome. You know, something to see and think about. It's cool. Wind up getting a cabin. This is the inside of the cabin. The next 2 days, still at Vogel State Park. Got a little fireplace going. It's a 1-bedroom, allows pets. It's a little on the pricey side. The pet and everything, it's probably about $1.55 a night, but you know, we got the 2 beds, kitchen.
It's getting downpour to rain tomorrow.
Yeah, it's gonna pour tomorrow, so that's what we did, what we had to do, and then it's gonna freeze. And we got the bathroom in here, nice hot shower later. You know, when that works. So that's gonna feel good. Take a walk outside. Got a fireplace outside, grill, grilling some grub here, chicken wings, pork loin, hot dogs, little cabin here. Sherry's enjoying the cold one. Say hi, Sherry.
Hi, Sherry.
Yeah, parked here, so it's not bad. Not bad. We're home for the next 2 days anyway. Well, we're at the Brasstown Bald Visitor Center. Sherry and I. Say hi, Sherry.
Hi, Sherry.
And this is what we got. All fog. And the car is somewhere over there. So we took a ride up.
Yeah, it's at the Chattahoochee National Forest.
Chattahoochee National Forest. My ears are all clogged. Yeah, this is the restrooms. Trying to find a place to go. Looks like it's all locked up. It looks like a nice place. Gonna try to maybe come up here tomorrow before we leave for North Carolina. Check it out. It's supposed to be clear tomorrow. Cold but clear. Take a walk maybe tomorrow too. 0.6 of a mile down that path. But we'll see it when it's a brighter day. But there's a warning sign here. It says about rattlesnakes. They may be found in the area, so you gotta be very careful when you're walking through this. You are in the outback. You're in the wilderness, so we'll check it out tomorrow. It's a little clearer. It looks like there's a visitor center there. And there's Sherry. Here we're at Brasstown Bald, highest point in Georgia, 4,784 feet. A little out of breath. It's a steep incline, a little over 1/2 mile, but pretty steep. It's beautiful out here. The sun is shining. Observation deck. Check it out. There's Sherry. She's up there. Wave, Sherry. Say hi, Sherry.
Hi, Sherry.
You can see some of the frost still on, the snow still on the trees. Starting to melt off. Well, on top of the point. It's one heck of a view, as you can see. We took the walk around an observation tower up there. We took a walk around, but the stairs are awful icy. It takes you up there, so we're not gonna attempt that. But it's probably about 33 degrees up here. And as you can see, the stairs are like super icy. And that's an accident waiting to happen. But we got some beautiful views here. This is all crushed stone here. Well, we're leaving Brasstown, bald. Now, we're gonna head on to Helen City, and then pick up some souvenirs, and then wind up going to Huntersville, right outside of Charlotte. Go see my daughter Kate. So, see you in a bit.